In this video, I will show the new features of Casper Media Playback. So first is screen recorder. Let us start the Casper CG client, Casper Media Playback, and server is running 2.1 version. I have added this feature in others module, external software media asset management, and that is screen recorder with microphone. So this will record your screen with microphone. This is using FFmpeg. It is not using Casper CG. So it will record your screen. I am making this video with this software also. So I have already pressed this button and I am recording this, and it is showing that it is being recorded. So this is when recorded, you will get a file here in C Casper CG Media screen with microphone. Its name is given here. You can rename the file here. Give name here the file here. Second feature is silence detector as custom command sender. So in others module there is a silence detector. So already it has been made so much month ago. I have made this client much before time, and now added one send custom command. So this client works as if there is a 10 second, if there is more than 10 second blank in your input on this Casper CG, it will act. So what is the action? First is you have to enable the silence detection. Then it will reaction will be play color bar and tone in VLC. Means there will be a HUD reaction one. Second reaction is send mail. It will send to mail that there is a problem in Casper CG or like something like this. You give your mail ID here. Third is that if you have 3 decklink cards, decklink 1 and decklink 2, and output from decklink 3, it will route your decklink 1 as decklink 3. But if there is some problem, decklink 2 will be on line. Some problem means it will detect silence much greater than 10 second here configurable. And recently I have added the reaction 4, which will send custom command. This is useful when you are receiving some stream from somewhere and stream goes blank and stream disconnects with any region, like your internet connection dropped. So it will not reconnect automatically. In that case, you can wait for 10 seconds for silence detection, and then you can write here again the same command. So it will trigger the same command to play the stream, and your stream will be resumed. Third is template playlist for advertisement. It is new feature recently added. It is in others module, template playlist. So in template playlist, see there I have made some L band and lower band advertisement. Suppose some video is playing like this. I will make some video play here in loop, and so that I can show you how it looks. So suppose it is playing. And go to flash template playlist and file new. You can preview what is this. So what is this and what is this, like this. So let us make a template playlist which will loop itself. So let us make a playlist. So select the template, add this to rundown. Here is the rundown. Then template second, add to rundown. Third, add to rundown. Fourth, add to rundown. Fifth, add to rundown. So I am making template playlist, adding rundown. So here you will get a playlist of the template. What is the template? You can see this. What is this? What is this? What is this? Like this. So I have given duration in second, means 5 second, it will be online 5 second, and you have option play or not. So let us make select all, and if you can save this, save as 111. So now let us new and open 111. So you are ready. Now see if I start the playlist, what will happen. So this first template has started, it will run online 5 seconds, and then second template is started, it will also run 5 seconds, third template it is started, and it will also run up to 5 seconds. Like this you can save this playlist, and this play or not is that suppose you have added some file but you don't want to play, so just uncheck it. It is a feature for template playlist and useful for advertisement. Now third is division in scroll module so that it is smooth. I will play some video here. I am talking about scroller, scrolls and breaking news. Here you got a scroller. Here there are only 7 line of scroll. So if you play, it may be smooth. It may be smooth, but let us have so much. Let us have much scrolls here, so that here you can see there are 46 lines, and if you play this scroll, you will feel jerky. Can you see that this is jerky? Because scroll amount is very much. Now what I have done, you give here division. So if there are 40 scrolls, 2 means it will scroll 20 scroll one time, and 20 scroll another time. So 20 scrolls one time is also jerky. I will divide such that only 5 lines at each time. So I will give here it 8. So 8 5 are 40, and only 5 lines will scroll at one time. So it will be smooth. You can see it is smooth. So this is very new thing I have done, and I am very glad that jerky scroll is not now. Third is new feature I have added is mobile's vertical video to full screen horizontally. I am using mixer command for here. I will show you example here. So I have added it in mixer module. This is the button. Suppose with drag and drop I am adding one video. Mobile. So there are 2 video for I have shooted to show you this purposefully. Video vertical bubble. I will drag and drop to the playlist here like this. So you can see I have shooted it with mobile. You can see here what is actually this in VLC. This is like this. I have shooted this like this. So it is vertical, but in Kaspersky it will run like this. So what I have made, you click this button and it will be okay. And I have one more example to show you mobile like this. See, you can in VLC, if you see, this is like this. This is vertical shooted, some scenery, and when I click this button, it is okay. Next is audio channel manipulation. I will show you example what happens. I will I will show with the example. I have a file which have so much channel, 8 channel, and in single stream. So when you play this, there are different audio. There are, you can see in left side it is green and it is right side it is some other audio and other volume. So what I have done is, in this right click menu, insert filter, audio channel layout filter. So if you click L2 both, and there will be an entry in filter column channel, audio channel left to both. So when I play it, you can see here both audio are same, means L2 both. I have duplicated only left channel to right also. You can do this and other things are also, you can insert this filter in playlist itself, so that suppose only R. So when you play this, only you will get the audio channel only R. Left is not there. So this can be done on the fly also. You are doing here in the playlist itself. So when you play this file in the playlist, it will automatically take. But if you forget to do it, in the playlist, so then you can go here DBFS Solon 16 channel, and see here you can L2 both. Now see L2 both, R2 both. See second audio is there, which volume is so much, and this is audio mix, means L and R both will be mixed. This is audio only L. You can see the bar here, and here also only L, and see here only R. You can see there is no left audio, only R. Next is clip joiner. In this there was already this module. I have improved this clip joiner, that when earlier it was making only MPEG-2 file to join, but now you can join any type of file, MP4 also, or MPEG-2 also, or MXF also. So if you join similar type files, it will be easy. But next feature is clip joiner. We will join two files of Kaspersky default. See, it is Go and this video CG, Go and CG. Let us see what is Go 1080 like this. This is of 17 second, and this CG 1080 is of 10 second. So total will be 27 second. So let us join these two video. So we will open this Go and second CG, this video, and we will join. Save. So it is joined. Its name is joined 1. So you can see 28 second, 27 second. Okay. So this is joiner. Next feature is NDI input. In Kaspersky 2.3, NDI input is enabled. I will shut down this to this and open the 2.3. So there is a stream player. Here you can get the all NDI sources available. So there is other software which will enable your desktop softwares, all other windows to act as a NDI inputs. That is name is vMix Desktop Capture. Now here you go on this module stream player, others module stream player, and here you can get the all the things here in. So Casper Media Playback itself like this. So only Casper Media Playback itself can come in the. You can list. Thing is that we can list all the sources here, and desktop one, display one. You can show your display in the Casper CG, and vMix NDI input. That is the this is screen like this. Next feature is Shuttle Pro V2 in slow motion. Shuttle Pro V2 works in 2.1 and in the slow motion in server 2.1 like this. So when you enable this use Shuttle Pro like this, you can yeah, do you know what is Shuttle Pro V2? I can Shuttle Pro V2. Shuttle Pro V2. This is a Shuttle Pro V2. So there are these buttons. I have assigned this and this 3 buttons to act. So I have written is button 1 is for record, button 2 is for stop record, and 3 is the loading SM player. And shuttle right increase speed, shuttle left stop, jog right next frame, jog left. So when you click the button 1, when you click this button 1, button 2, button 3, when you click these buttons, this can act as a trigger to record, stop record, and load in slow motion player and next frame. So you have to enable this thing. Next feature is composition module. So let us see what is composition module. This is in others module, composition. So I can add media like this. See, moving in Casper CG is very much difficult. So in this way I have made to move this video so that you can compose your screen with 2 sources and 3 sources like this. Now we can change the sources. So suppose HTML, and this is Casper CG forum. Suppose I am taking. So this Casper CG screen, and you can stage this screen like this. You can see. And let us add some more media and add to stream, or okay, let us add some other thing, YouTube. Okay. See, so this I have added 3 streams, 3 screens here, 3 elements here, and I can manipulate all the screens here. So you can do like this I have named it as a composition module. This is useful for playback, LCD playback, LED playback, for this. And you can save this and again and open this file also. Now next feature is clear temp files and recycle bin. Here you know in the our Casper system sometimes get slow. In that case, this is so much temp files is there. So when you click this, and there are something in recycle bin also. See here in the recycle bin this much files are there. So let us open it, and when you click that button, it will clear the recycle bin and this temp file both in one click. You can see here. So tools and clear temp files and recycle bin. This, see this it takes some time, but it clear the things. So okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I was recording this video with first I told you the this screen recorder with microphone. I have clicked this and it is being recorded here, and I will close this and I am getting the recorded file here, screen with microphone. See here. So I will close.